What's up guys, Keitora YYC in the house here, back with another unboxing video. So today we're unboxing the Wirus Win shift knob for the Suzuki Keitora DA63T. Now this shift knob was purchased from a website called Black Hawk Japan, and go ahead and check out the link in the description below. Make sure you check out Black Hawk Japan for anything and everything JDM parts directly from Japan, and as you can see they got super fast express extremely urgent shipping. So yeah, go ahead and make sure you check out Black Hawk Japan, and on that note, let's get to the unboxing. UPS uses really good packaging. I mean, it is taped a lot too, so. Also, don't want to move around too much. There we go. Alright, there we have it. Nothing else in the package. Yes. More bubble wrap. One more tape. Packaged very well. Awesome, great. So we've got some literature here, and then the shift knob itself. So let's take a look at the shift knob itself. You know, we can always take a look at the literature later. Man, they really taped this one. Alright, awesome. And there it is. So once again, this is the Wirus Win shift knob for the Suzuki Keitora DA63T. See if we can get a good shot of that on the inside. Let's see if I can get some focus. Yeah, there you are. Yeah, and if you're curious about the thread pitch and everything for the Suzuki Keitora, just let me know. See if I can get even closer on that one. There you guys are. And this is cool because it's made out of SUS 304 stainless steel. Fairly heavy. I didn't weigh it, but obviously it weighs a lot more than the plastic or rubber shift knob that's stock on the Keitora. And of course, I'll make an installation video of it as well, and then show you some before and after pictures. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at the literature that it comes with. Oh, another cool thing, another reason I'm a big fan of Wirus Win, if you recall, I bought my exhaust from there. If you want to check that out, you can just check it out right here. But almost everything that you order from them is made to order. So when you order something, they make it and they machine it for you right after you order it. So it's kind of cool, kind of feels custom. Alright, let's take a look at the literature. Once again, packaged very well. So this is cool. It's another plaque. My exhaust also came with a plaque like this. I did not put it on the exhaust because I just didn't know where. And then for this one, I saw in the product photos they just attached it this way, and then bent it around. I guess you could put it like this as well. It's kind of neat. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to put it on, but it is pretty neat of them to include something like this. Alright, let's see what else it came with. Alright, there we go. The exhaust came with a sticker like this as well. The exhaust came with like a really big one. This is a lot smaller, so that's cool. Another neat place where we can put that. And then, yeah, okay, I mean, something. My kanji is really bad. Let's see. Yeah, not sure. Must be some, warranty or parts or something information. If you really want to know what it is, I can translate it for you, but nothing too exciting. Pretty sure my exhaust came with the exact same thing. So, cool. So we've got, yeah, let's take a look there. Nice. And there we have it. So yeah, that's the Wirus Win shift knob for the Suzuki Keitora DA63T. As always, I'll make an installation video for you guys, and then we'll see how it looks. It feels pretty good in the hand. It is a bit longer than the factory shift knob, but then a bit slimmer. We'll see how it feels. I think it's going to feel pretty cool. Alright, and as always, I appreciate everyone for tuning in. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.